So yeah, we're starting off with a smoothie. We're going to Soho today. I didn't bring my mics because they're not charged, but my smoothie is pineapple, orange, ginger, and apple. 10 out of 10, I must say. So we outside. Time to go to Soho. We on Myrtle and Broadway. No Myrtle and Broadway, you know the hipsters love it out here. Oh, actually, I did bring my mics. I'm tripping. Come on, y'all. Y'all know Bree don't play about her shit. Y'all know Bree do not play about y'all. Do I ever put you on a bad stuff? We've made it to St. Mark's, y'all. Yeah. Very exciting here in New York City today. The iconic sidewalk and a bird. Today's his only day off. Fly guy. Search and Destroy is a crazy store, guys. So we out of Search and Destroy. I guess we're gonna walk around. I kind of want a drink, so I'm gonna grab a shot. Green tea shot or something. And yeah. The famous cube of Astor Place, y'all. So there was a myth that somebody used to live in a cube. And they must have like changed it or something like that. Maybe somebody did live in it. But you ever see people be trying to push this? I don't know if it actually pushes or not. I feel like somebody did say it do move though. I don't know, but I guess when we find it on TikTok, we'll know. Riding through the city with my hood on and my windows down. That's a what to eat, what to eat. Let me know in the comments what y'all think we about to eat. Because I have no idea. Wow, look at this block. Check that out. So right now I'm at Ruby's, y'all. But I got the ragu. Marie got the Italian sausage, spicy sausage or whatever. About to see what's up. And you already know I'm on the espresso martini. It's my first drink. This is my drinking vlog. Cheers. So we got the truffle fries. And we got the Brussels sprouts. Let's do a little taste test. They crispy. I give it a 5 out of 10.
I'm not eating that sauce.
Why?
What is it?
It reminds me of like stale. We're starting off with that. Brussels sprouts. The ragu. Italian sausage. Maybe need to make a drink. Me and Irie got stopped by 2 outfit people. We must look really cool, huh? You gotta tag us and let us know if you see us on YouTube or see us on Instagram somewhere. Well, actually, I have the Instagram, so but still tag me. Okay. Hey YouTube, I'm getting pizza. Well, a beef patty with cheese. Package secured. Pizza, pizza, pizza. Girl, I got some pizza. Oreo Zeppelin. Beef patty with cheese and cocoa bread. Another beef patty and cheese with cocoa bread. And a margarita slice. W's in the chat. We at the beachy. Stop playing. Stop playing. Stop playing. Hey guys, we at the beach.
That's what it is. You already
We at
know.
Far Rockaway Beach.
Far
You
away.
already know.
Bye.
This shit feel cold. Woo! How they standing in there? Chat, this shit's so fucking cold. Look how many people in this water too.